We're about to scrape the rest of this off. It's in the morning, so the bees are not very active right now. I might be able to clean off more area. There are some coming in and going out, but not real heavy traffic yet. Not sure what those are. Someone put spikes in there, I guess, to plug holes. Or maybe that's where, I don't know. Very strange. They're not real tight. Yeah, they're kind of just stuck in there. They're not tight. It could be pulled out, I bet. But we're going to have to wait till the bees are totally out of here before I do that. Okay, I'm going to put some gloves on and start scraping because I want to get all this scraped. You can see what I've already done. And hopefully, I'm going to turn the camera, hopefully I got this all scraped good here. Maybe this is how I could tell when I start painting if I've gotten it painted or primed. Okay, let's get to work.